Are you ready for a parenting revolution? Say hello to the Momcozy Baby Carrier, the ultimate solution for hands-free parenting, comfort, and style. Life as a parent just got a whole lot easier with this 3-in-1 baby carrier. Imagine the freedom of having your hands free while keeping your little one close. Whether you're on an outing, traveling, or just navigating everyday life, the Momcozy Baby Carrier is your perfect companion. It's lightweight, effortless to wear, and designed for the modern parent on the go. We know that every child is unique, and that's why our carrier is tailored to grow together with your baby. Just with 3 adjustable sizing positions, it accommodates infants from 7 to 44 pounds. Safety and comfort are our top priorities. The ergonomic design ensures a natural M position for your baby, promoting healthy hip and spinal development. Plus, padded leg openings keep your little one comfortable and ensure proper blood circulation. Ever experienced back pain from carrying your baby? Not anymore! Our built-in EVA waist support provides crucial lumbar support, making extended wear a breeze. The shoulder and waist straps are thickly padded and easily adjustable for a personalized fit. Unlike conventional carriers, the Momcozy Baby Carrier boasts an innovative X-shaped back design. This forward-looking feature distributes weight evenly for unparalleled comfort, both for you and your little one. Experience every joyous journey with your baby. The Momcozy Baby Carrier offers 3 comfortable positions tailored to your baby's every need. It's the perfect registry gift for new parents who want the best in comfort, safety, and style. Worried about keeping your carrier clean? Don't be. The Momcozy Baby Carrier is made of 100% cotton and is crafted for easy care. You can simply toss it in the washing machine to keep it fresh and ready for your next adventure. Say goodbye to complicated cleaning routines and hello to hassle-free maintenance. Don't miss out on this opportunity to revolutionize your parenting experience. Choose the Momcozy Baby Carrier for comfort, connection, and exploration. Order yours today and embark on a new journey of parenthood with the Momcozy Baby Carrier.